What's up, my school bosses? Welcome back. Welcome back. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button so y'all don't miss the scoop. Alright, we about to wash this hair, wash these waves so I can show y'all how I apply pressure to keep my waves looking good. Alright. Alright. Little shampoo. Get it on up in there. Usually do a scramble wash. That first wash, usually attaching to that dirt. Alright. Second wash on the way. We're going to do a wash and style today. And we're going to top it off with this argan oil of Morocco. It's to hydrate and repair damaged hair. We're going to work that out. We're going to use this hard brush. Start working that shampoo in. In the process of styling it now. If that lather ain't thick enough, you can always wet your brush. Add a little more water to it. Get that lather real good in the process of styling it. hair done grew pretty long, like 2 weeks in from a haircut. Alright, got the nice little lather going on. Nice little brush session to style it. Alright. Alright. So I usually take a wave cap, put it over. So now nice and tight. And I'm about to get this thing rinsed. Alright, now that I'm washed, yeah, we about to add this hair mask. This argan oil of Morocco hair mask. Take a little bit of this, get it on around. Make sure it's covering everywhere. Now this hair mask you leave on for 5-6 minutes. And then we're gonna rinse this out. Put that cap back on, lock that in. All right. Gonna wait 5 minutes again. And then we're gonna rinse this out. And we're gonna finish what we're doing to wrap this up. Now that we got the hair mask washed out, just gonna adjust this wave cap, because I'm gonna leave this on to keep my hair laid down, because it's frizzy after that wash. So I'm gonna let it dry like this. So wave cap, then we gonna add the do-rag to it, apply that extra pressure so that when it does dry, it's laid down even better. This is the way you put the do-rag on to prevent those lines in your forehead. I hate that. And it's just like the lines build up and they just, ugh. Tuck that thing in there. And that's how you put it on, straight across, to prevent those lines. Make sure it's nice and tight. You put the do-rag on when it's freshly wet like that, it usually tightens up while it's on there. Get that. Alright. And that, my scoop bosses, is the process of me washing, styling, and adding that hair mask to it. to help hydrate and repair my hair.